They want the drama. Forget about what I bring to the table. Those people want the drama.
Can I do the mixer when we get to the park?
Sure.
Let me put in the mixer.
What's going on, AJC? It's your girl Ashley Janae back again with another video, and today we are frying Oreos.
Hello, guys.
And my baby Inquisitive Logan is with us.
Hello, Ashley Janae crew. I am Inquisitive Logan, the leader of the ill team or ill squad.
Okay, yes he is.
You guys, make sure. Well, never mind.
You can tell him.
If you're an adult and you play Fortnite, tell them to follow my Fortnite account. If you're an adult and you play Fortnite.
Is that the Logan FF1 551? I mean.
No, it's ill squad YT, guys. Please come follow me.
Follow my boo. All right, y'all. So we finna make some Oreos. We finna make some Oreos. We finna make some Oreos. We
And you
finna
guys,
make some Oreos.
Hey, AJC, this is also a battle between mommy versus me.
Y'all, first of all, Logan had Logan did the Oreo challenge. So we got Oreos on deck. This not even it. So we got peanut butter, mint, lemon, red velvet, cinnamon bun. And we got
3 more kinds.
chocolate, original, and golden. So now, mind you, I've already told Logan from the very get-go, all these are gonna get donated to my school because we already did his challenge, and I'm trying to, you know, watch out for my little. Okay. So yeah. He said, I said he can keep the golden, it's fine. But either way. So, I think that today, I'm not going to do the original or the chocolate.
What about mint?
I would
Mint's
like,
nasty. I don't like
Logan said he would like to do the double stuff for the fried Oreos. Peanut butter, I don't think I'll do that. Mint, I'm good on that too. I do want to try the lemon. Lemon, I feel like that's going to be a beast. And I want to try one of the red velvet. The cinnamon bun can go too. So, not for a fried Oreo. I just want to try these two. Yep. So.
Wait, I want to try the cinnamon too. I want to try the cinnamon.
Okay. So then you trying cinnamon and double stuff. I'm trying red velvet and lemon. So let's see how we do, you guys. Okay, so the first things first. I might need to back up this camera a little bit. So let's see how we can do this.
I'm in my PJs. I'm in my PJs.
My camera's crooked. Forgive me, y'all. My stand broke, so bear with me.
We won't have to go. We don't have to go through this one here, but you're famous, y'all. You can be so lit.
Yeah, we are.
We're gonna be partying all day and all night.
Let me take you to Rio. First, we're gonna mix a pancake. Pancake mix, an egg, and some milk. We're gonna take some pancake mix.
Good, mommy?
Yeah, that should be good. All right, you wanna measure a cup of milk?
Ew, looks like I'm making pancakes. All right, mommy, how does this look?
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Okay, now we need an egg.
Trust the egg.
But now, I need you to be far away from this stove, please. Okay. Safety first, kids!
Stir it back and forth, right? Whoa! Mommy, I think I have it now.
Go, Logan. Go, Logan. Go, Logan. I'll go. Trying to make a beat, but it didn't work. Alright, we're done with this. Let's see what's next. Alright, got me some oil sugar.
oil, sugar.
And I'm finna pour the pan. I'm finna move the camera too so y'all can see.
Mommy,
Yeah.
call me when the stove is done, Mommy. I'm gonna go watch the movie.
Okay. When the stove is done?
I meant like when.
I can call you when the Oreos are done. Tell everybody bye, say.
Bye, guys. I'm gonna watch the movie. Make sure to put in the oil I want, Mommy.
I will.
Okay.
Okay, y'all. So let me show you, sugar. So I basically filled up the oil about that much. Still got some room in there. And then what I'm gonna do is get the Oreos and show y'all from there. I can't wait to get another stand. This is crazy. Anyway, so Logan wants the cinnamon, and the double stuffed golden. And I want the red velvet, and the double stuff, the lemon. Alright, so we're waiting for the grease to be ready. Go ahead, grease, go ahead. And yeah, see you in a minute. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. The oil is ready. So I'm about to, I put some of the cookies inside the dough already. Not dough, the mix that we made. And I'm going to go ahead and put them in there. These are the lemon ones right now. I'm doing those first. Ooh, this is sticky. Yep, mine are going to be messy, I can tell. Fourth one in here somewhere.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, Judy.
What's up?
Not too much. Just frying some Oreos. Alright, so they're like white. I wonder if they're brown yet. Nope, not yet. Let me turn it back. I'm gonna go ahead and put the next load in there. I'll do the red velvet. Stick those in the batter. Okay, they're getting gold. Flip them over. You see how brown they are? Yummy, yummy, yummy to me. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy. Tudor's watching Rio. Rio's a good movie. Ooh, it's getting brown, you guys. Yay. Okay, one more time. Just flip them over one more time. One more time. Can I get one more time? One more time. I can't believe I'm singing Chris Sale's song. I don't even do him. I don't even do that, man. Okay. Boom, boom, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Look at that right there. That's the fried Oreo. Hey. Okay. So I'm going to put these. Which one did I say these was, y'all? I don't even remember. Okay, so I'm going to put these down. Almost made you love me. Almost made you cry. Almost made you happy, baby. Didn't I? Almost doesn't count. I can't keep on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. A hero. Oh, never really sure. No. See, that's why I ain't got no husband, because you're going to be like, stop singing in that kitchen, girl. Make my food. And I'm be like, nah, sir. It's a song on my heart. And I got to sing it. Know that I can give you voice hasn't been doing good that lately anyway, y'all. I don't know what's been well, I do know what's been going on. I had a little too much juice this week. My voice be acting like it don't know me when I be drinking juice.
Mommy!
Yes, my love.
That smells very good.
Do it.
Yes.
Well, you in for a treat, sugar bug.
I can already see that.
You just wait. You just wait.
Let me at him.
Let me at them. Turn over, boo. Don't act like that. Don't act like that.
And then, Mommy, this is basically another Oreo challenge, Mommy, because we don't know which Oreo is which because they're covered.
Okay, I like that. I like that idea, Tuda. I think I'm gonna be able to tell with these, but it don't matter. We get to taste all of them. Okay, do not grab it with your hand. That's stupid as hell. Okay.
Mommy, why does one look like that?
This is the red velvet one. Woo! That reminds me of. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
What is that?
Dun, 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 dun.
Mommy, what color is that?
Take the shackles off my feet so I can. I just wanna praise you. Whoa, whoa. Let me get that out.
Ooh.
Everything that could go wrong, always wrong at one time. So much pressure fell on me. I thought I was gonna lose my mind. Lord, I know you wanna see if I will hold on to these trials. Lord, I need you to lift this load, 'cause I can't take it no more. So I can dance. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You know that song, boo? I didn't know you know that song.
Mommy.
Yeah. And that is how you make fried Oreos. Yeah. Let's taste try. I think I'm gonna go for a red velvet one. I don't know which one is which, but let's try. That was red velvet. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, that is hitting. This is a messy meal. What is that?
It's lemon.
You like it?
The lemon is so good. Definitely.
That is so good. This is so good.
I know.
Alright guys, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next.
Make sure to click the notification button so you never miss another video. And make sure to
subscribe if you haven't already.
To AJC. And please go follow me, guys. Mine is Inquisitive Logan on Instagram and Facebook. I don't have a Twitter page yet, but we're getting there. Right, Mommy?
You want a Twitter page?
See you later, alligators.
Right there, right there.